Alright guys, today we are heading out for one of the best rides in Sydney, Bulli Lookout, straight through Royal National Park. Let's go! Perfect weather today, roads are looking clean. This route is honestly one of my favourites. Nice flow, good corners, and epic scenery all the way through. This is where it gets fun. Tight corners, smooth lines. Just gotta stay focused and pick your lines right. Not about going crazy fast. It's all about control and enjoying the ride. Royal National Park never disappoints. You get a bit of everything here. Twisties, straights, and that fresh bush air. Can't beat it. One of the best views on this ride, hands down. This section flows really well. You just link corner after corner. Stay smooth on the throttle. Through the turn. And let the bike do the work. This is why I love this ride. Tight twisties, then it opens up a bit. You get that mix of technical and relax. Relaxed riding. Perfect balance. And now you start seeing the coastline. This is where it really hits. Views, fresh air, and that smooth descent towards Stanwell. And here we are. Stanwell tops. Never gets old. If you enjoyed the ride, don't forget to like and subscribe. More rides coming soon. See you on the next one. And here we are, Bulli Lookout.